Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, My Inspiring Thoughts by Upadriti. The essence of my channel is to give you glimpses of the vast landscape of Indian culture and the richness of its heritage and traditions. I'm equally eager to ignite curiosity about Indian culture in the minds of young adults and people from all over the world. Walk along my cultural journey to the world of Indian traditional dance forms, Natya Yatra. Today, let me take you through an exploration of Odissi. Odissi is a prominent ancient Indian classical dance form that originated in the temples of the eastern coastal state of Odisha and was performed predominantly by women. The dance expressed religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavism, with Lord Vishnu symbolized as Lord Jagannatha. The performances also include traditions related to the gods Shiva and Surya and goddess Shakti. Odissi traditionally belongs to a genre of dance drama where the artists and musicians play out a mythical story, a spiritual message, or a devotional poem set out in ancient Sanskrit literature. Odissi is performed as a basic dance motif called the bhangas, which is symmetric body bends and the stance. Perfect expression is achieved with intricate footwork, swaying mid torso, and gentle hand movements, as well as expressive facial gestures. All this combined with geometric symmetry and rhythmic patterns keeps the audience fully engaged. Similar to the classical dance forms, an Odissi dance performance includes Nrita, the pure rhythmic movements, Nritya, the expressive aspect of the dance which communicates through Abhinaya and Mudras, and Natya, narrating the storyline with emotions and feelings. Odissi is categorized into two major styles. The first style is a pure dance form performed by Maharis enacting a spiritual poem or a religious story. The other style includes athletic and acrobatic moves performed by Gotipuas for festive occasions. Modern day Odissi is a diversified dance form where men and women performers have added new plays and aspects of other dance forms. Odissi has three primary dance positions, which are Samabhanga is the square posture with weight equally placed on the two legs, spine kept straight, arms raised up with elbows bent. Abhanga, the body weight shifts from side to side due to deep leg bends while the feet and knees are turned outwards and one hip extending sideways. Tribhanga is an S-shaped bending of body with torso deflecting in one direction while the head and hips deflecting in the opposite direction of torso with the hands and legs providing an aesthetic frame. Odissi dance is accompanied by the traditional classical music of the state of Odisha with verses from classical Odia literature and the Gita Govindam. Some of the primary ragas sung are Kalyana, Nata, Sri Gauda, and Bhairavi. The musical instruments commonly used are the mardala, harmonium, flute, sitar, violin, and cymbals. The traditional costume is a pleated sambalpuri or bomkai sari, which is bright and colorful. The dancers are adorned with elaborate silver pieces of jewelry. The hair is tied up and typically drawn into an elaborate bun. The hairstyle contains a moon shaped crest of white flowers or a reed crown called mukut. The dancers' palms and soles are painted with red colored alta. The costume is incomplete without the ghunguru. The male performers wear a dhoti with a long, thin folded translucent sheet wrapping over the shoulder and usually tucked below a wide belt. No piece on Odissi would be complete without mentioning the four major gurus Kelucharan Mohapatra, Pankaj Charan Das, Debaprasad Das, and Raghunath Datta. The exponents who popularized Odissi by performing in India and abroad are Sangyutta Panigrahi, Kumkum Mohanty, Sonal Mansingh, and Lakshmi Priya Mohapatra, to name a few. Now that you have had a glimpse of the finer aspects of this dance form, I am sure the next time you witness an Odissi performance, you will appreciate the gentle and graceful swaying movements. Namaskar, till we meet again in the next episode of Natya Yatra, my cultural journey of Indian traditional dance forms. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, just do that and hit the bell icon so that you can get to be part of this traditional Natya Yatra.